In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with Blender's Ivy Generator add-on. Please activate the add-on. Let's create a new Ivy on the cube. Please experiment with the settings to create the best looking result. I'm compressing time here, and I'll show you my best result shortly. This was my final Ivy setup. Let's make sure the tip of the tentacles are hidden, as they're not filled. I'll find a good angle to render. Shift-D to duplicate, R to rotate, and S to scale. The idea is to hide the background by using a duplicated mesh. We need to convert both Ivy objects to meshes. Please save the document now, as what I'm about to do take too much time. After limited dissolve, and apply a remesh modifier. Please don't decrease the voxel size way too much, because that will take too much time. I'll go to Edit mode, and type X to limited dissolve once again. We can see an illusion of tiny parts breaking away from the tentacles. I'll add metallic materials. We can render this scene in Eevee or Cycles, but I'll use Cycles with Sun texture. Lastly, I'll add an empty object and use it as the camera's depth of field object like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.